Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Mikey aka Crypto Mike, and today we're going to talk about what else? Our favorite token Shiba Inu and all the news that came up in the past 24 hours. Before we jump into the video, I want to say that I am not a financial advisor and everything you watch here it's my personal thoughts, so do your own research before investing, and this video is for entertainment purposes only. So let's start. So guys, let's have a look about how the crypto market is doing today. We see that it's pretty solid, the whole market. There's not much of a uptrend or downtrend. It's still everything. Bitcoin stands at $33.4 thousand with an increase of 0.36%. Nothing much in the last 24 hours, but we still have this 4.5% weekly uptrend and the price increase. So that's very important, as you know, that because if Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. If Bitcoin goes down, everything follows and drops. Bitcoin is the regulator of the crypto market, and we all hope and pray that it will continue the bull run that we had the past months. And Ethereum's holds at $2.1 thousand at the same position like yesterday. Dogecoin at 24 cents. It has a little bit of a pullback at 1.6% and not much up increase in the last 7 days. Okay, and let's see where is Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu holds the 28th spot for I think it's the fourth or fifth day in a row. That's pretty nice, guys, because we're standing still when the whole market goes down. We achieved to maintain our position. We have solid support here at the 8300 Satoshi units. Today we have a little, not a pullback, I would say. It's just a 0.23% decrease in price, nothing much. But look at that, we have a 16.7% the last week. That's amazing. We have a market cap of $3.28 billion, something that it's amazing. The 24-hour volume, it's pretty low compared to the previous days. It's only at $370 million. That's pretty much if you consider it, but the previous days we had all this the AMA thing going on, and the hype. That's why it was more. But we hold the 28th position, and that's very nice. Let's go and see the graph, have a look at the graph and how the price is moving. We have the 1-day chart. You can see that the price is doing okay. We have built a strong support here at the at the 800 Satoshi units, and after that we come back and we hit it again. We don't drop below 800 Satoshi units. That's very important. And after that we have a bounce, a little bit of a spike here, and consolidation, moving sideways, and things going great considering the general bearish behavior of the crypto market. We hold our position. We build a great support at 800 Satoshi units, and I am sure that when the market starts its next bull run, the price is going up again. And let's have a look at lease as well. Where's the search? Lease, how it's going, and it's okay. It's on a $3.4 thousand with an increase of 11.5%. It's very nice because it had a bull run before the AMA. It reached the $4,000, I think. No, that's the all time. The 7 days. Yeah, you can see the past 7 days. It started on 25th of June, and at $1.8 thousand, and look at that. Look at that movement, going upwards, spike here, upwards, another spike here at $4.3 thousand. Amazing. A little bit of sell-off here, but this is a more, for me, it's a price correction. It's not that much of a pullback. Here we have a support at 2.9 thousand, and after that we bounce back and moving sideways like Shiba token. It looks great, and imagine what will happen when Shiba Swap came up, and you can stake that, and you can provide liquidity in liquidity pools with SHIB tokens and Ethereum to earn a lease. All these are great catalysts to boost the price. So don't be worried about that. But you don't have any reason to be worried. This picture is great. We don't have any sign of bearish movement here. Let's have a quick look how the petition is going on change.org about the Robinhood listing. And we're standing at 168,000 signatures. Cool. That shows that many people every day get in and sign the petition, and Robinhood has its attention on that. And we don't have any specific announcement about how its Shiba token is gonna be listed in Robinhood, but I watched a YouTuber who covers Shiba Inu news. It's Your Pop. If you don't know him, just go and subscribe to his channel. He has great content. He's a huge fan of Shiba Inu and a very good guy. He's so hyped, and his content is so cool. I like him very much. And he sent an email to the Robinhood support asking for if they are going to list the Shiba Inu token on their services. And he got a reply that said that Shiba Inu it's in their plans to get listed alongside with other tokens in the near future. We don't know when, but I think that when the pressure keeps growing on Robinhood to list Shiba Inu, they were gonna do it pretty much soon. So that's another great news. It's gonna be huge if Shiba token gets into Robinhood, and with Coinbase Pro listing, we have some technical issues as the Coinbase Pro announced, and when these issues are solved and the coin gets back into trading, we're going to see a better movement of the price upwards, of course. Yesterday we had a tweet from Elon Musk. It's a very controversial tweet. He tweeted that baby dots do 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 do. It's like the kids song Baby Shark. And yeah, there's a misconception here because it has the Doge in its tweet, which obviously refers to Dogecoin, but that gave a boost to Shiba Inu as well. And yeah, I'm not a big fan of Elon's tweets because I saw how he greatly manipulated the market the past 2 months, especially with Dogecoin, and he could boost the price to the moon and then drop it down to earth, crashing it down. That's why I don't really like this kind of strategy from people that have great influence and great power with just only a tweet. But I see that people does not react so good anymore to such kind of tweets, because when Elon tweeted that, I went to Binance to see the price of Dogecoin, and it was okay. It took like 2% or something, nothing much. If that happened 3 months ago, the price from 25 cents could easily have reached 45 or 50 cents within 10 minutes. I saw it with my own eyes before the SNL, and the picture, the image that he had tweeted that he would be hosting the show. So I see that people that's good does not react so good anymore, and they don't get so affected by such kind of tweets. And we have another article from FX Empire and Vladimir Zernov, which says that Shiba Inu tests support at 800 Satoshi units. That's what I said at the beginning. And I want to have a quick look at this article to have a more experienced view about the matter, because I'm not that much into technical analysis or stuff like that. And it says Shiba Inu settled below 850 Satoshi units and is trying to settle below the support at 800 Satoshi units. Shiba Inu remains under pressure. Shiba Inu is currently trying to settle below the support level at the 800 Satoshi units as the crypto market remains under pressure. Bitcoin has recently failed to settle above the resistance at $35,000 and made several attempts to get to the test of the support at $32,000. In case Bitcoin manages to settle below this level, it will gain additional downside momentum and move towards the support at 30,000, which will be bearish for Shiba Inu and the whole crypto market. It's that what I said in the beginning that whenever Bitcoin goes up, what's wrong with me? I cannot speak today. Whenever Bitcoin goes up, everything follows, and at the same way, when it goes down, everything pullbacks. So meanwhile, Dogecoin managed to settle below the support at 25 cents and is moving lower, which is bearish for Shiba Inu. Yeah, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are connected in some way, and they're moving with the same rates. When the one goes up, the other one follows. But Shiba Inu tends to break this bond lately, and I think that we saw that the past days that the Shiba Inu had an uptrend, and Dogecoin either remained the same or it has a little bit of a pullback. So it's good to get independent as a token, you know. I'd note that Shiba Inu has recently made an attempt to get to the test of resistance at 1000 Satoshi units, but lost momentum because of the general bearish sentiment in crypto markets. That's true, and also I think that one another factor that made the price drop a little bit is before AMA, some people didn't get satisfied, or I don't know what, with what they heard in the AMA, so they sold their some of their tokens. Maybe some other people wanted to take some profits. That's great. That's why we had this a little bit of a drop back. But I'm sure that with all these huge catalysts coming our way in the next weeks, maybe, the price is going to reach the all-time high very soon in the next months. But I strongly believe that July is going to be very hot for Shiba token. At this point, it looks that Shiba Inu will need additional bullish catalysts, that's what I just said, in order to get to the test of the resistance of 1000 Satoshi units. So guys, in general, we have a pretty stable picture today of the general crypto market, and in Shiba Inu as well. I think that Shiba Inu is doing excellent, resisting at 800 Satoshi units when the whole crypto market has a little bit of bearish view. So we need to be very, very optimistic and don't get discouraged. We are in this project to hold, and I believe that those who can hold their assets and their tokens and stake them on ShibaSwap, hopefully, I think in the next 2 weeks it's gonna be out. I don't have any information. It's just my personal prediction and wish. We're gonna take some good profits in long term. So that was all for today, guys. Thank you for watching the whole video till the end. If you like what you saw, just hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Tell me what you think about Shiba Inu and all the things that's going on in the crypto market, and see you tomorrow with more news.